Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Mr. Monroe's Math. Today we're talking about using ordered pairs in the coordinate plane. We're starting something new, so good job finishing that I-Ready today. And so what we're going to be doing is looking at first the ordered pairs and dealing with the coordinate plane before tomorrow, where we deal with the full coordinate plane. So as you see here, ordered pairs, which give us a sense of a location as to where something is. You can simply look at a basic map and see how different values work here. You know what the center of the world is called. This line that passes through, we know that as the equator. That's very much similar to like the x-axis that we'll talk about, and what's called the prime meridian, okay, or the point where it goes across here, also known as the rose line. So it is the mark of 0 here and 0 there. We'll get more into that later on another day, but the globe itself, the world itself, can also be seen as an ordered pair, because as we have up in our neck of the woods, we have a location as to where to find where it is that we live in the world. So to get to that in the future, here's what we're talking about today, the ordered pairs. The first number of an ordered pair is called the first coordinate. And the second number of an ordered pair is called the, well, you guessed it, it's the second coordinate. Okay? And these also relate to what values of the ordered pair as well. In an ordered pair, it is an x value followed by a y value with an x-axis and a y-axis. Okay? And so the first coordinate is what is first, known with the x value, and the second coordinate is known with the y. So let's get to a few examples here. Locating ordered pairs on a coordinate plane. So how do we find them? Well, there's a bunch of letters over here. There's different values. You've got to find your first coordinate first, which is on the x value going across. So what is your value going to be? If I look at letter A, which is 1 and 4, it's not the letter A on the map here because we start from the origin. We move one location to the right on the 1. They're all positive values here for now. Okay, oh, actually, no, they're not until we get to there. So we move over to 1, and then we go up 4 spaces, and we find the letter F. So 1 and 4 is located at letter F. Okay, so what about letter B? 0 and 5. So I don't move at all side to side. I'm always going side to side first before I go up or down. Okay? 0, 5, and what letter is there? Well, that letter is A. Okay, how about this? 4 and 1. Again, starting from the origin. Origin meaning beginning. We've talked about this before. 0 over to 4, and then we go up 1, and that is letter B. 8.5 followed by 8, so we get 8.5, halfway between 8 and halfway between 9, and we go up to 8 and we find that that is the letter L. 5 and negative 2, here we go. So we go across 5 and down negative 2, very similar to a vertical number line and a horizontal number line. So 5 and negative 2 would be the letter G. F would be over 5 up 4.2, just a little bit above 4, and that's letter H. Okay? 2 and then negative 1. So we go over 2 down negative 1. That's letter C. And lastly, H is located at 0, 9. So we don't move side to side at all. We go straight up the elevator up to 9. And that is going to be letter E. So just a simple basic understanding of that. We have two number lines here, which is known as the x-axis, or the first coordinate. We go with the x value first, so whatever that might be, a 0 or an 8.5 or a 5, followed by the second coordinate in order to find locations. So start at the origin, find the x value, then the y value, and then you have your location for the ordered pair. Okay? Good luck.